Welcome, here I've got VIVAX Point X503 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera sounds at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's take a picture. As you can see, we can hear the sound. To turn it off we have to just simply slide to the right to get access to the advanced camera settings, and here we have the camera sound option. By using this button we can turn it off, and now when we go back to the camera and take another picture, we can't hear the sound, as you can see. Of course, we can easily slide again to these settings and turn it on again here as we need. And now we can hear it again. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.